Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 31. Use the diagram below to answer questions 30 and 31. We've already done question 30, and this is the landform, and we are considering this point X in this landform. And in question 30, where it was asked what this X stands for, this very part of the landform, we said it is stark. Now this question is asking, the feature is one of the landforms associated with this feature X that we named as stark, and we say that stark is a landform consisting of steep and often vertical column or columns of rock in the sea near a coast formed by wave erosion. That's what we say stark is. Now it's telling us, it's asking us now, the feature of this landform is associated with A, river erosion, B, wind deposition, C, wave erosion, D, river deposition, E, wind deflection. Now the answer is simply from the definition of stark that we gave in the in question 30. We say that stark is formed by wave erosion. So that makes option C the automatic answer, because stark, this point X is a stark, because as you can see that it is you can see the shape it has, it is a steep vertical column, so that makes it a stark. And starks are formed by what? Wave erosion. That is what forms stark. They are formed by wave erosion, and it always happens near a coast, in the sea near a coast. But still, we can also note that a wave is an oscillation of water particles. That is what a wave is. Oscillation of water particles. A wave is an oscillation of water particles. It is the most important and most powerful agent of marine erosion. So wave is the agent of marine erosion. Agent of marine erosion. So the erosion that happens in the water is mostly caused by waves. The action of wave is an important agent of erosion, transportation and deposition of materials confined to the coast of seas and oceans. The rate of wave erosion depends on the nature of the rocks, the amount of rocks exposed to the sea, and the effects of tides and currents around there. So those are the things that makes this option C the right answer. Wave erosion is responsible for the formation of stark, which is a steep vertical column that is formed in the sea near a coast. Thank you.